Welcoming the Hengchieh Locking Technology Co. Limited, one-off professional casting custom manufacturer Jinningbo, China. Hengchieh's factory is located in Yanzhou, Ningbo, with a factory of 1500 square meters. Hengchieh has Pasetios 9001-2015 quality system certification in 2018. Our products include a lightweight Nunnergewehr clip parts, motor housings, air conditioning compressor housings, secure type products, etc. Our products have been sold over the world since in 1988. Hengchieh has more than 30 years of production experience. We can provide customers with one-stop professional manufacturing service including mold design, development and manufacturing, aluminum and zinc alloy casting production, king finishing, surface treatment and assembly. Thanks for visiting Hengchieh. Whether our project requires custom small batches or mass production, we have expertise and advanced equipment to meet your need.